Hey, what's going on? What is going on? Everybody's street trading here with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of NVAX. NVAX Incorporated healthcare sector. Let's get right into it. So these guys are ripping to the upside since obviously the pretty much the middle of May. The boys printed its lows, and after its pretty significant sell-off from the end of April. And we've just been pushing higher highs and higher lows. Obviously, you see a number of imbalances pushing up to the upside. And we had this on our weekly trade watch just going into the week session. There was a couple of levels that have already gotten breached. And yesterday's session, it got in play again. Pre-market put it in play and took out previous levels. And when obviously it's in play during pre-market, our weekly watch list is in play. We get ready to rip. This one, it was a battle. We definitely fought to stay in the game here. We took a couple hits in the beginning of the session. Obviously, this thing was moving quite quickly, volatile to the hilt. But the thing is, this is why you got to manage your risk, guys. At the end of the day, protect your downside, no matter how strong convicted you are in your position and your obviously directional bias. The market's going to tell you where it wants to go. So you got to protect your downside at all costs. And we took a couple hits, no big deal, and that's how it goes. We stuck with it and stayed with what we obviously knew was in play, ready to go. And after a couple of hits, when it was ready to rip, we got right back in, scaled in, and fucking took off. So it was a great trade for us. This is why we obviously set our alerts for our weekly and got right into it. So anyway, hopefully you guys caught the run with us. It was just a beast mode, right? Literally just took off, and one of those where once the momentum gets going, get out of the way, guys. I mean, if you're shorting this thing at these levels with this kind of momentum, you definitely got squeezed out. But anyway, let's get into how we ended up trading this thing to the upside. Obviously the stops we took in the beginning of the session, and how we got back in, where we got back in, why we got back in, and let's just talk about the management of the overall trade from beginning to end. All right, guys, let's get down to business.